Hey guys, just thought I'd give you a little update. Managed to get a little bit of time on the car today, so just messing about with the rear lights. Don't know if I should tell you what they're up from or whether you should have a guess in the comments maybe, but we just sort of chopped them out and got the lights sitting in place. We've got all the housings in there. They've all got obviously fiberglass in place and everything, but they go quite well. They've got a nice curve with the back of the car, obviously make it look a little bit less Ferrari rather than do a Ferrari replica. Like I said, I'm gonna do my usual of doing my own take on it. So we'll see if I can get one of these lights out for you just to show you. So I'm gonna have to excuse the camera at the moment. Right, but there we go, they've got housings and that, so these have all been made out of fiberglass, so they're just literally hot glue gunned in place at the moment, just so we can obviously get them all lined up and work out what's what with them. And then obviously we'll glass them in place, start making the final shapes of the car, making the lights actually work with the shape of the car as well. Like I say, we are changing it, so there'll probably be like a bit of a step at the bottom of the lights here. This will probably curve up to the bottom of the light here, maybe some slattage, like some vent panels going up to it there, obviously exhaust cut out, and that shouldn't be too far off how I want the back really. But there we go, sort of evolution of a Ferrari 430 I suppose, but yeah, it'll be my own take on it with a few Ferrari-esque parts. But yeah, have a think about the rear lights, comment in the post and see if you can guess what they're from.